Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the INFINIX Hot 60i and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. So now we can open the options and all we have to do is to tap on this arrow right here. Now let's tap on this timer option. And here we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. So we've got off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let's tap on the option which we'd like to use. I'll pick 10 seconds delay. So just tap on it. As you can see, the icon changed slightly. It is now highlighted and it is showing us the delay we've just set. So now we can go back to the camera and right here we do not have any kind of information that we've got the timer set or not. So you might be surprised if you'll forget that you've previously added the timer. Now all you have to do is to tap on the shutter button and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, of course you can turn this option off. Just open the settings again, so tap on this arrow, tap on the timer and tap on this crossed out icon. And now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.